Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to put emoji next to username and Slack. So first, what you want to do is go to your profile right here, and click on update your status. Then you could pick anything here. You can go pick this emoji in a meeting, commuting, out sick. But if you don't like any of these and you want your own, you just need to click on edit suggestions here on next to the cancel button. Click on that. This will pop up and wait for it to load. Once you're here, you could basically pick anything you want. So if you want this one and to remove the emoji, let's say relaxing, then find the emoji that you like. This one, then click on save. Once you're done with that, you could go back here. As you can see, it's already popped up right here. So you just need to click on that, then click on save. As you can see, I have my status right here. That's it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.